Breathing streets. 3D?
Terrorize the citizens of the world.
That's nice.
Alright.
Yeah, 3D. You can tell on the pipes.
In an alley.
And the camera.
Wait.
Run in or
Like
watch
the
it
person
here.
perspective.
But it
So
sounded like it's so
Wait, how does this guy see?
Oh, are we just
He's
waking
got a
up?
chainsaw for
Already
his head.
like
utilizing the
power
CG
dials.
environment.
Wait.
Oh
This
my
looks like a
fucking
horror
god.
scene.
Different now.
Oh, no, there's
I'm not starting
the
it.
old school Resident
No.
Evil, when you, like, open the door.
No.
Okay, so he's not chainsaw man. Unless he turns to the side.
Amazing POV shot.
Jump scare?
Alright.
Not a jump scare.
I just live.
How
Essentially, every episode will have a different ending.
Passed out, bro.
silence.
We're going to the
Okay,
song,
choice.
we're going to
I didn't realize that it has handles. This is
Look at these environments.
He's really good.
Oh.
Jesus, bro.
This is an interesting set of
I love
perspectives.
the saturated nude style
I can't help myself.
of like the show so far. Wow, beautiful, beautifully done. Wow.
It's like the small
Amazing. Yeah, a lot. These are all brand new scenes. Waiting to establish, you know, great establishing shot.
Whoa, we're cutting down trees.
Wow, they are going above and beyond.
She sold the kidney.
He's been
Yeah.
Too far. The kidney was one thing.
But I guess now I know why he chainsaws.
Dramatic animation.
This is right up my alley.
Who's he owe money to?
Gambling.
Alright.
That looks like a chainsaw. It's kind of cool.
Wait, hold
That's a
on.
chainsaw dog.
demons.
Kill this thing.
Again with the POV shot.
Dead devil.
Wait,
Devil.
wait, it's not a dog!
The tomato devil.
So it is kind of simple.
Some of that
There's a result.
That's exactly what I expected.
I need to go through that.
Cheers to the opening. Oh, he defeated it.
There's a lot of
Chainsaw dogs.
There's no integration.
Oh, we're gonna talk about that opening once this episode is done.
Clean up your little thing.
That's a tomato nigga?
Double guy.
This is the guy from Yakuza 0.
Wow. We're doing a lot of stuff in 20.
Fuck!
That's not too much, right?
Yeah! Here's $10.
He gets 10,000.
So pretty much
Yeah.
you get a fraction.
Yeah.
That's all the film costs.
Wow, that's
People see the big
Fuck
commission.
this, man.
yeah.
You've got student loan debt.
This is stressing me out
This
already.
is. I don't know what it's like.
I think that's like
I've
Trouble
$700.
my
I don't know how much it is, but it's a lot.
So you're just walking around. Can anybody see this dog?
I love how they ran it.
Right, like $25 a month for food.
Can't you eat the tomato devil?
Let's just get this little chainsaw.
That does not look like it.
Yeah.
You do what you can.
It makes me money. He's an asset.
Oh, okay.
Still, you know, still flowing with characters walking in the back. Feels lived in.
Oh, and he is in the Yakuza.
So he is not a
okay.
full-level character. Because he doesn't know what the world is.
So
He doesn't know what's out there.
You don't ask no questions.
That's the truth, is he's desperate, and he doesn't realize that he's got power.
And so that dog thing is a devil, they said too.
Dog.
So he's got a reputation for doing anything for money.
That's fucked up.
But he's also
It's
bitter and
crazy to
vulnerable.
see
You ever have a friend in school who,
He's just gonna drive away.
like the
Bro, for 100 yen,
sense.
that's $1,
it's crazy to
nigga.
see Denji.
A dog
Like this.
That's a lot of time.
realize that he's useful.
Again,
But does
it
he
is
know he's
Oh, he
getting
didn't
fucked?
nice development for its character.
He's like our pug.
3 slices of bread is better
Not
than
really. If I'm really thinking about it.
The devil pug.
who does live in a shell.
That's
the mouth shut.
Beautiful composition, great shot.
One slice of bread.
The framing's really good.
No, you need a big
I can understand why some of you are saying that there's a lack of music in this, but so far the lack of music just adds more to the ambiance.
hit, like core pro.
But in the intro, he does
It definitely makes it feel more grounded.
He's making a symbol
Like
for
you are
that.
in the moment.
Figuring out when this all happened.
Spoons are all in your back.
Hell yeah. That's
Sometimes that's not. Oh, we are gonna go back to the basic. Okay, so this
Oh,
is
you
your dad.
see how the water droplets are like
How
interacting with the car, with the cross as well? Holy shit.
suicide.
Mister,
What? He said all of that?
So it was 700.
Mister, I'm 10.
Well,
That's disgusting that he told you.
whatever you gotta do.
Yo, they came in on the server.
Yeah, how well? Hate any of the bullshit. Let's just like immediately the opportunity presents itself as soon as you have a need.
Yeah, no, you're right.
Yeah, you'd be afraid of him.
Yeah, I
So it
grant
just
myself
found him one day?
don't
I've
care.
seen the two already have like sharp like teeth.
And it shows empathy toward him? No, it turned it itself.
He was shot?
So he hopes it.
With compassion first?
Two survivors.
That is it.
Next day.
Look at this little devil is the thing that's gonna give it mercy.
Oh.
Okay. I'm getting a Promised Neverland vibe already with the body parts. Now drinking blood heals the devil. You know.
I love it.
Careful what you You work for me.
They gotta stick together forever.
Wow, he literally made a deal with the devil.
Wow, he's literally making a pact.
This seems
Kind of
the
did make
Yeah.
a
Bond.
And
Is that how you got his powers?
definitely
None of this actually
He's just
exists.
using it like a regular
The soundtrack's really interesting.
like the small like music in the back, like inspiration, even though it's not like anything bombastic. It's just like ambiance. The soundtrack is
You want me as a
ambiance.
hitman?
Okay.
Oh, it's so good.
How he got
At
it.
least I haven't broken in decks.
But he's stuck in the same loop, right? He's got the same coping strategy since he was like
$34
8 years
million.
old.
Nah, it was
Right
7.
now.
I was
So
the first
you
to saw
need
it.
to meet somebody to shake things
You're
up.
right.
The squad.
You're right.
So
He
cute.
says and then he showed how much he still has up. That's crazy.
Bodies. Better.
Making it hard to make it out.
No, that too.
Simple things, but so sad.
Yeah, you could just hear it in his voice.
Yes.
No excitement.
I already
no
feel
emotion,
an
really.
attachment to them. Yo, what the hell?
Let's go.
What the hell?
Let's go.
Oh boy.
Maybe from the
Jeez.
kidney.
Oh, he's also turning 6.
Has a chainsaw come out of him yet? Before?
And the ball you cut off?
I love how Denji was like just suffering and then Pochita is just like having this really smile like
Oh,
it contrasts with his
He
personality.
might
money don't grow on trees.
Oh
love
shit,
it.
I made him see his teeth. See how his teeth are
Hey, I
Put him on the ice.
off-putting.
You niggas is trash.
It's a perfect.
I would have attacked them with the dog, bro, a long time ago.
mix.
You have very
Yeah, the color grading on it
gives us such a promise of like how big it's gonna be.
it's gray, it's dark, it's desaturated, it's just what I would
Yeah.
sure.
but not soon. He's gonna take out
This part of Denji's life.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. There's so much setup.
Love the lighting,
The color grading.
Some kind of fortress.
texture work in the background.
I wonder why you don't kill these other people.
These background warehouse.
You know how Devil has such efficiency.
It just feels
We are
strange
not in a
that
good spot right now.
if
Ah,
Devil's
here we
That's
go.
been
exists,
army like that for long.
The light
they
dims,
just
Yeah,
know
this
it's
is a
here
trap,
and
bro.
they're like,
You're the fucking
kill you
thing.
for us.
You're
Red
running your red
light.
eyes.
Why really need to
checking in
Or
danger.
maybe
Kill you, man.
because he'll do anything
They're gonna kill you,
anything to
man.
make a deal
I love
with
it.
a
I
particular
love the red
dangerous devil or
accents.
They said he
something.
was obedient.
You know,
It's minuscule, so
Good
it's
nature.
there, it's there, it's
Even in
there.
the face
Or did he
of
sold the kid?
obvious
Oh,
betrayal.
wait,
You
you're
definitely
thinking
feel
of
something's
fusing
off.
with the dog.
It definitely feels like danger is ahead.
Red lighting over there.
Yeah.
Weird. Are they gonna kill him?
know,
Are they
I
gonna try
want
to
to
kill him?
slow.
Yeah,
like
something.
this.
Sure.
To a fault.
For cheat. Yeah, of course he does.
Work for cheap.
Love using the touch still.
That's not very nice.
Oh, is he gonna try to take him out?
Oh shit.
Shit.
And we don't see who it
That's
is.
a great reveal. That is a great reveal.
You stabbed me in my back?
Wait, but it's straight from both too. Both blood, blood.
Wow.
That guy's like.
Yeah, why does he look like that?
What the fuck?
A devil?
Oh, so he was the first to realize they were capable of doing that.
Oh, what the fuck is that?
You see it behind him?
Hiding in the shadow.
To the devil to get
And then
power.
revealing himself into the light. Holy shit.
He's just been stabbed through with a devil.
Bit of it.
Oh yeah,
they
humans are also the devil.
Adapted to the
Turn all y'all into zombies. Stupid ass.
So this is gonna be better, and it's individual.
Okay.
Wait, so he turned that gang into zombies?
They went to him thinking that they was gonna get power.
Like,
So is it really the man or was he tricked by a devil?
Hey,
Devil.
these are perfect chainsaws.
Most of the music that we hear in episode 1 are the music that we hear in the trailers. They're really
with it.
He just got stabbed. He's missing half his organs.
Can we got
Say-
that?
Oh, no.
That's
It's like desperation, straight up brutality. There's no
He's gonna make another.
You just want to fuck a girl, man.
Yeah, he's asking for so little and yet...
They're not holding back.
It's gonna be Sympho gear.
That was from the
Main character dead. End of the first episode. That's how he started.
Assuming, I mean, we saw it like in the intro and shit come out of his face,
We see
so.
his bloody.
Oh, they've already thrown him in the trash.
Gotcha, they just throw his body in there. Oh,
Put him in the trash.
His
head
is
bank account, some money that he sold. A little bit of blood.
What I can say so far is the direction of this episode is really good.
That's good.
Like the way they are handling this adaptation, from manga panel to the anime is spot on.
So that's
Like
what you're saying.
execution-wise, it is really great, and I'm really enjoying this.
Oh, that's
Kind
a
of
bread.
weird and kind of cute at the same time.
The bond though.
That's cute.
Chainsaw. Two cheeks. If he dies of blood and bread.
The animation, everything's...
Here it is.
There it goes.
Okay.
I'll let you take me,
Beautiful shot compositions all throughout this episode.
Wow. So he's possessed by
but he'll give it back. I'll be free.
That long after? He knows about having the death
So
free.
he really did get killed by them like that.
So will it be?
But he probably
So
saw
then
it.
you're poaching him. Yeah, exactly. I think it might
Somehow
be
I
poaching
died.
him.
Oh my gosh.
So it's
Just
just
you,
gonna
the
be
devil, let me take over. Leave me
like as the
behind.
character.
We talking about
Unless it's gonna be two of them sharing. I'm already breathing.
What a
That's a beautiful composition.
Wow, it's putting himself back together.
Oh, this is lit.
It's gonna like not even shift him back to the bottom.
Which is crazy because Chainsaw Man is a really fast-paced manga.
That's crazy.
The anime is taking its time,
See the eyes are back?
slowing things down,
Fine.
really gives it like a different vibe to it. And I like it. I like it.
Oh, okay, he's back. So it's fine.
Clearly not. You're still here, bud.
What the fuck?
Maybe now it
Oh, it's a deal. Oh shit.
He has a broken heart.
Sounds like.
Or is this like in his
deal, though? Yeah, like not just sweet, like good deal, but like
He's inside you.
But I have a soft spot for animals, even if it's
Now.
oh yeah.
I'll kill them all.
This is I. Oh, I love this. That was one of the first things that happened.
The music starts out
fully
starts
together.
as really
Yeah, right? No, you got 8 minutes.
the feeling of loss. But now it ramps up. The feeling of rebirth. You gain new powers. You become a new person.
He's gonna pull the ripcord.
Which is the sacrifice creating Benji's new identity as a chainsawman.
Literally.
That's okay.
I kind of feel like there's going to be a drop in the music.
It's not a bad thing. No, it's not a bad
Let's go.
Yep.
Now you gotta crank it up again, bro. Let's go. It's fucking good.
What does this vibe remind me of? It's definitely
Can I hear that?
I hear it revving up.
chainsaws.
It's a favorite duel. Yeah. There's awesome transformation. That is nice. He looks so bizarre, but hella cool.
I guess he might just pull the string.
Awake, baby. Nope. It's not a takeover.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Take it all the
Can
way
you be
out.
healed by drinking water too?
That's some good quality chainsaw.
Yeah, don't get cut in half.
Okay, I love that they're just going all the decapitation.
Yo, this is sick. This is like
And you get creeped out by sometimes, but it's still lucky.
There's just blood everywhere. First one again.
You know what I'm gonna say right here? Chainsaw Man, the manga, is
He's CG.
a story that is basically
That's
a
CGI. That's some damn good CGI.
it's not the contemporary shonen manga.
I like the
If he
effect on
sold
his
it to
voice.
real people.
And I'm feeling the same way with the anime. This doesn't feel like your typical average shonen. The direction, the music, the way it is shot, the way it is directed. It doesn't feel like your shonen fantasy, your typical average character. definitely feels a lot more mature. Definitely feels a lot more.
But we're not gonna see this 50 pound for a while.
Maybe I'm wrong, but it feels like it's a big city. They nailed it. They nailed it. If this is the approach that they're going for, then they absolutely nailed it. It doesn't feel like a shonen show. And if that is their approach, then they succeed because this does not feel like a shonen show.
Oh, it's still owe them money? That's wrong with from the opening, I think.
This is what they want.
That's kind of interesting.
Wow. Okay,
They're the
that's
real
cool.
devil
Her
hunters.
eyes.
It is her.
Fucking
Okay.
hard thing, right? She keeps framing things.
Oh, he's still there.
Hi.
He's still
You gotta watch him.
walking into that.
Did you just pull the string?
Well, dispose of him.
Wow.
She doesn't care. Yeah, she's
Beautifully
so
shot. Beautifully shot. Oh my god.
On a job.
Yeah,
Was this
yeah,
you?
beautifully shot.
So
It's not me.
Okay, you're just standing there.
totally,
Putting that away.
totally unafraid. Smell.
That's
Yo, that freaking design is sick.
The Doom or Hell.
You would be right about
Notice the change in her tone and the way she acts. She was cold at first, and then at that moment she flips.
What? Okay.
Well, she could tell you.
Oh man, really, really
Oh, it melts away.
All right.
That's actually really
Cool.
Oh, she's perfect. I'm not sorry. She's perfect.
All right.
She sees
But
through
it's not
things.
full possession though. It's like the heart. He's dead.
Public safety. It's nice.
What
Public
a
safety.
job.
Public safety.
job, bro.
He's just a.
So she has special eyes.
Whoa. This is a very ambitious shot.
She's the dom, yeah.
Yeah, basically.
Work with them?
Oh.
Or I can keep
Petco,
him
Petco.
as a human.
Alright.
Yeah, like a
I
dog.
love the way he does his POV shot.
Like a pet.
Yeah, exactly.
Not my king, but
We all know his answer.
Wait, why can't he just go home? Why are those not the options?
more than one. Can I get jam on my milk?
They kept him, but it was a feed them.
Oh.
Jam, I think.
And then
It's versatile.
It's everything I dream. Juice?
He's already saying.
He just fell in love.
Yeah, that POV shot is like
You got
really,
the
really
girl,
well.
you got the
Backlighting
food.
and everything.
Alright.
The savior that